The notch is gone. Well, not entirely, not yet, but today I want to show you what we built instead. We have been thinking about this for a long time, and I think once you see it, you will understand why we are moving in this direction. That window, that is a new altar. Let me show you what it can do. First, the window. If you use Alter now, you have minimized floating windows everywhere, and you jump between different places to see your chats. This ends today. Now, you have one floating window. All your chats are inside. You can click to switch between them. It feels like tabs, but better. It's the same power you know from VHub, but now it moves with you. This is a switcher. One click or Command K, and you see everything. Your actions, your past conversations, your meeting transcripts, and even context you can add, like app windows, and also comments you can discover. And it's fast, really fast. Once you use it, you won't want to use your mouse again. This window acts like any other window on your Mac. You can move it by holding your Command key. You can change its size. And if you want it to stay on top of everything, just pin it. Now it stays, no matter what app you use, Alter is there, ready for you. Okay, now the best part. You can snap this window to the side of any app. It sits right next to your browser, for example, or your notes. Not on top, next to it. But look at this. Check my Twitter feed to surface cool AI projects. Make sure to look for at least 20 or 30 tweets. When Alter starts to work, the window attaches itself automatically. You do nothing, you just watch, and you can see exactly what Alter is doing, and you can take control at any time. And one more thing, many of you asked for this, and now we have a weight indicator in the window. Before you send a message, you see how much weight it has. It helps you manage your usage better. Less surprises. Also, we have a new menu in the control block at the top to surface your recent activity. You have your open chat, your recent ones, and your meeting transcript. On the side, you will discover a new UI for notifications. So, to sum up, why are we doing this? The notch was a cool idea, but it's getting crowded. Other apps are fighting for that space. People with Mac Minis, Mac Studios were not happy to have a virtual notch on their big screens. And also, Apple will probably remove the physical notch one day. So we want to build the future now and have computer use in mind. And you will see it's great with this new window. To be clear, this floating window is the future. We are super excited for you to try. You can go to the settings and enable the Quick Hub mode to try. And then please tell us what you think on Discord. And if you like the new window or not, well, you know, we are always listening. Thank you, guys.